One of the questions that I get the most is, Dreena, I have fill in the blank. Will this help? The truth is, there really isn't anything that improving the health of your fascia won't help because your fascia is your body-wide architecture of all of your systems. All of your bodily systems communicate work through within the fascia. So for instance, your nervous system, your circulatory system, endocrine system, reproductive system, your immune and your lymphatic systems. So when we improve the health of the fascia, we improve the health of us as a whole. Now, there are things we can do specifically if we're having certain pain points or conditions in the body that we want to address. We can work with the organs that are aligned with those systems in the body. So for instance, if you have something going on like plantar fasciitis, we know which flow will be specifically useful to you. We also know what systems the different organs will benefit. So for instance, when we move into cold and flu season and we want to enhance our immune functioning, we can work with the organs of the pancreas and spleen, the thymus, lungs, and a couple of others, but those are the main ones. So you can see that we have almost like fitting pieces into a puzzle when we work with the fascia. But because we are whole, we began whole in the round, we continue to be whole when we work with fascia flow and the entirety of the organs and meridian system, we improve everything as a whole. So I welcome you to explore. And if you ever have a question, please reach out to me. My email is Dreena Burton, my full name, @gmail.com. We will also include it on the site for you to easily access. Okay, so have fun, be curious, be excited, and reach out if you need. I'm excited for you. We'll see you soon.